हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमित त्यागी और आज मेरे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स के ऐसे दो कलाकार जिनकी कहानी ने बहुत सारे युवाओं को इंस्पायर किया। इनकी कहानी बिल्कुल एक फिल्म की तरह है, एक किसी शो की तरह है और इसीलिए अब ये सेटेलाइट पर बरकरार ही मेरे साथ है। टेनिस के दो ऐसे सुपरस्टार्स जिन्हें पूरा देश पहचानता है, लिएंडर एंड महेश। इनकी एक कहानी अब पर्दे पर आ रही है ब्रेक पॉइंट के नाम से। तो आज हम दोनों हमारे साथ हैं, इस बारे में बात करेंगे। सो वेलकम टू माय शो।
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Amit. Thanks for
Thanks
having
for having
us.
us.
तो सबसे पहले लिएंडर बताएं कि कहानी आपकी बड़ी मजेदार है, आपकी लाइफ की कहानी है। मतलब देखते आ रहे हैं, लोग जानते हैं, पर पर्दे पर जब आती है तो वो और ज्यादा उसमें एक फ्लेवर बदल जाता है। तो इसमें कौन सा फ्लेवर है?
इस कहानी काफी लंबा कहानी है अमित। 20 साल का कहानी है और ये कहानी में आप देखा जाएंगे कि किस तरह से दो देसी लड़का, जब महेश 15 उम्र का था और मैं 16 ईयर्स का था, कि हमारे सोच में हम विंबलडन जीतना चाहते थे।
जी।
हम हमारे सोच में हम दुनिया का सबसे मशहूर डबल्स पे बनना चाहते थे। तो इस 20 साल में किस तरह से हम देश का नाम रोशन किए टेनिस कोर्ट पे, और तब जब हम ग्रैंड स्लैम जीता में किस तरह से हम दोनों वनरेबल था, किस तरह से पूरा दुनिया महेश का लाइफ और लिएंडर का लाइफ देख रहे थे, मीडिया लिख रहे थे, लोग बोल रहे थे। तो ये असली कहानी है और इसमें आप बहुत सा नुएंसेस देखेंगे। जिस तरह से अश्विनी अय्यर तिवारी और नितेश तिवारी कहानी बताएं, आप बहुत नुएंसेस देखेंगे महेश हमारे बीच में।
जी। महेश, क्या कहेंगे, कौन सा पहलू हमें इसमें देखने को मिलेगा जिसके बारे में शायद हम लोग जो आम आदमी नहीं जानते हो? क्योंकि जब एक पर्दे पर कहानी आती है तो एक अलग ढंग से ज्यादा ऑडियंस तक पहुंचती है वो।
So it's the journey from the time we started playing, till 2006, end of 2006. So it captures the whole journey, the highs, the lows, the wins, the losses, the challenges. So I think, we've told the story independently, and I think we're hoping that people will appreciate it.
जी। कहते हैं कि वक्त के साथ स्टोरी टेलिंग का एक फॉर्म भरा है लिएंडर। सो अभी विद द डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन, न्यू स्टोरीज, न्यू फॉर्मेट्स आर कमिंग। डू यू थिंक विद दिस न्यू फॉर्मेट व्हिच इज लाइक अ डॉक्यू ड्रामा काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेट व्हिच हैज बीन वेरी पॉपुलर अब्रॉड, रियल लाइफ stories will be more poignant in the form? I mean, the storytelling is very different, and so the audience is more receptive to such stories. So what do you feel India, which majorly thrives on the cricket and the major thing, do you think it will be a game-changing format in terms of the presentation of your story?
100% Amit. I think that when you look at Breakpoint, this is the first docu-series that's being told out of India in a sporting stage. When you actually look at the Leander Mahesh story, it's about two youngsters who embarked on a journey when in India there was no textbook or no ecosystem to teach us how to win Wimbledon.
Yes.
And the way that Z5 have allowed us to tell this story very truthfully, not just candy floss, sugar coating, everything being positive and nice, In this story, we've actually told some hard truths. Mahesh and myself have been very courageous to go out there and tell the truth. And that comes because we had the confidence in Nitesh Tiwari and Ashwini Iyer Tiwari with Z5. And also, Amit, I've got to give a big shout out and gratitude to collective artists, which is Vijay Subramaniam and Ashu Naik, who actually brought Mahesh and myself to the table first. They did all the business behind it. So, हर project में magic आते हैं जब the team is really solid. And in Breakpoint, I think the team was fantastic. So I think the viewers are going to enjoy this ride.
Mahesh, how much honesty is there in the story? As Land has pointed out, both have given your heart out to the actual facts and the figures and the things which happened. You've been really candid about the whole shoot. How much heart you had given for the story?
Yeah, I think if you've seen the trailer, you'll see that it's a pretty real and pretty raw, pretty candid. So, like I said, we've shot it independently. We had one day of shoot together at the end of the schedule. But other than that, I think both the storytellers have really weaved it into a very emotional narrative. I saw it for the first time fully yesterday, and yeah, hopefully everyone will appreciate it.
So, Leander, which were the high points of the two when you first met? How much it has changed? Personally, I want to know how much both of you have evolved over the ages and since the time we have known you. And when you look back at this story, what memory flashes comes to your mind?
That's exactly what you're going to enjoy right from the first minute of episode 1 right to the end. You're going to see the journey of Leander and Mahesh. And we've traveled the whole world together. We have won Grand Slams when no one gave us a chance. लोग पूछते थे आपका औकात क्या है जीतने के लिए पहला विंबलडन खेल के तो दिखा आप कह रहे कि आप जीतेंगे So in that, how we only had each other to lean on through the high times, through the low times. And that is the most gripping part of this human emotional story, the way that it's been told. You'll actually see so many nuances of it. So it'll be a lot of fun to watch.
Mahesh, do you think a fiction format works or a non-fiction format like this, a docudrama format? What do you think personally? What reaches the audience more? And do you think the story gets us more justice when it's been amplified with the emotions in the regular mainstream biopics or through this docudrama style? What do you personally feel?
So I think with Leander and me, it's different, right? I think for our story, there's been that perennial question of, what if or why. And I think, everyone would have probably prefer to hear it directly from us and our entire ecosystem. I mean, if you fictionalize it and have songs and dance and different things happen, I think you'd lose the essence of this narrative. So I think this was definitely what would have worked best for us.
So, Leander, what do you feel has India evolved and has got away from the shadow of they were earlier it was only cricket and then tennis, but nowadays I think all the sports, especially with the recent Olympics, other sports beyond cricket have been getting its due. Finally, people and the youth is accepting that there's more to India in sports than just cricket, and I think it's the high time that other sports also gets their due, and not just the regular 3-4 sports that have been India has been known for.
I think that's been proven over the last 2 decades when you look at the number of champions that have come out of India in other sports, whether it's badminton or whether it's shooting or whether it is wrestling, boxing, tennis, obviously. I mean, just between Mahesh and myself, we own 30 Grand Slams. We also have a world record in Davis Cup for 24 undefeated wins in a row. So I think it's a different stage. I think that when you look at cricket, it's predominantly played in about 7-8 countries. When you look at tennis, it's played globally throughout the world. I mean, all the way from Auckland, New Zealand to Machu Picchu, Chile. The competition in tennis is unbeatable. So in achieving that in a sport that has got such global competition is not easy. So I think that what would really make Mahesh and myself happy is that by watching Breakpoint in the next 5-10 years, if kids get inspired and say, मैंने भी Breakpoint देख चुके हैं और आपका कहानी से मैं भी inspire हुआ, इसलिए मैं भी champion बन चुका. So in that, if we inspire a generation of kids to go out there and believe in themselves, that they can be champions too, then I think the job is done.
Yes, Mahesh, do you feel that? I think we haven't got a Mahesh and a Leander after that. These days kids needs, they have too many options. But that the dedication, that fire we saw in you, I think has been missing, and I'm sure the film will inspire the youth to come. We get more Mahesh and Leanders in the new generation as well.
Yeah, I hope so. I think when we were growing up, I think we all dreamt about playing at Wimbledon, right? I think the narrative has changed over the last 20 years. And now I think kids can believe that they can win. That's the bottom line.
Well, looking forward, we have loved your sports, and I'm sure Breakpoint will be one breakpoint in your careers as well. And people want to chronicle and witness the journey of 2 legendary players that we have known. All the best to both of you, and looking
Thanks
forward.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.